Today, let's learn about these amazing railway vehicles. From the huge trains that belch out smoke while moving, to the compact high-speed trains that can move flexibly around the city. Are you ready? Let's go! This is a steam locomotive. It is one of the most iconic trains, known for its billowing smoke, loud whistles, and vintage design. It fascinates with old-world charm and historic journey. This is a rail motor car. It is a small, self-propelled vehicle, known for flexibility and quick service. It connects towns and provides transport where big trains can't go. This is a coal train. It is designed to transport large amounts of coal across long distances. Recognized for its heavy-duty wagons and powerful engines, it fuels industries and keeps energy production running. This is a container train. It is built for efficiency, known for stacked shipping containers. It connects ports and cities, moving international goods with speed and power. This is a Loram rail grinder. It is a specialized maintenance train, known for its grinding wheels that restore smooth tracks. It ensures safety and efficiency by keeping rails in top condition. This is an oil train. It is a heavy freight carrier, built to transport crude oil and fuel. It is vital for energy supply, with long tanker cars stretching across tracks. This is a high-speed train. It is one of the fastest trains, known for sleek design and speeds over 300 kilometers per hour. It thrills with smooth rides and rapid city-to-city travel. This is a freight train. It is one of the most essential cargo carriers, known for hauling goods, raw materials, and equipment. It powers economies with massive loads and long-distance transport. This is a track inspection train. It is a high-tech vehicle equipped with cameras, sensors, and scanners. It monitors railways to ensure safety and prevent accidents. This is a hybrid train. It is an eco-friendly innovation, powered by both diesel and electricity. It reduces emissions while providing flexible performance. This is a double-decker train. It is designed with 2 levels of seating, known for carrying more passengers at once. It offers comfort and space on busy routes. This is light rail. It is a city-focused transport, known for sleek trams running on dedicated tracks. It provides fast and eco-friendly urban mobility. This is a snow plowing train. It is built for extreme winter conditions, known for its powerful plows that clear icy tracks. It keeps railways open even in heavy snowstorms. This is a passenger train. It is one of the most common trains, known for carrying people across short and long distances. It offers comfort, speed, and reliable travel. This is a maintenance train. It is essential for railway upkeep, known for tools, parts, and workers. It repairs tracks and ensures smooth operations. This is a monorail. It is a unique train running on a single elevated rail. It stands out in cities with futuristic design and smooth rides. This is a bullet train. It is an engineering marvel, known for aerodynamic nose and record-breaking speeds. It represents speed, safety, and futuristic travel. This is an electric locomotive. It
It is powered by overhead lines or electrified rails, known for its quiet, clean, and powerful performance. It drives modern railway networks worldwide. This is a railbus. It is a hybrid between a train and a bus, known for lightweight and low-cost service. It operates on rule tracks and short lines.